place where shadows keep you appear through silver haze, soft outline that slowly sways. Eyes still closed but thoughts awake, reaching for the shapes you make before sunrise pulls you through, back behind the morning blue, dreaming of you before dawn breaks. In that in-between it makes half a night and half a day, where your image comes my way, dreaming of you as night fades. Soon the birds will start their song, soon the streets will feel too strong, but for now you still remain in this narrow, gentle frame, dreaming of you before dawn breaks. In that in-between it makes half a night and half a day, where your image comes my way, dreaming of you almost morning, dreaming of you, day is forming. Sunrise comes, you grow thin, till tonight you're back again. Ember rays around us falling, soft as quiet, breathing, calling. Every shimmer on your face carves a warm, familiar trace. Hold me in the glow tonight, where the hush and lamplight meet just right. Don't let go, just lean on me, lost in mellow gravity. Time can pause if we allow, nothing else is needed now. Your heartbeat beneath my hand feels like home, where moments land. Hold me in the glow tonight, where the hush and lamplight meet just right. Don't let go, just lean on me, lost in mellow gravity. If the sunrise steals this scene, let it wait behind the screen. Here lost in mellow gravity. Amber rays, slow and free, in this glow. Stay with me. That old melody we play brings you back in subtle waves. Press replay without a thought. All our days in echoes caught. Same few minutes once again. Pull me back to where and when we first traced each little note. Now it feels like something wrote. Our song on repeat tonight, spinning through the soft lamplight. Hard to move to something new. Every chorus calls for you. Our song on repeat feels right. Some might say to let it go. Find another tune to know. But this rhythm has its claim, holding us inside its frame. Our song on repeat tonight, spinning through the soft lamplight. Hard to move to something new. Every chorus calls for you. Our song on repeat feels right. Our song plays gentle loop. Our song stays in this our song won't fade away. Dusk is drawing velvet curtains. Streetlights bloom on quiet corners. I'm just here and almost certain you'll stay through this softer border. Stay until the light falls down. Stay until the light falls down. Stay until the streets turn brown. Stay until the streets turn brown. We can linger in this space while the last glow paints your face. Evenings running through our fingers. Still your nearness gently lingers. As the colors leave the sky, stay beside me